Can you explain optional settings, digital functions, group and private call, hold time, and manual digital? Yeah. Those are more specifically, the hold times on those are when you hold down 0 and you actually manually type in the group you're trying to do. When you hold down 0, this is a manual dial. If you hit the pound key, you go between private and talk group. So when you manually dial something here and we go to it, so if we were to go to, 3105 or something. That now, if I key up again here in a few seconds, I'll only key back up to Brandmeister US 3100. And that's because of my hold time being so low. So you can turn those up if you like to manually dial a lot of things, but that's why channels are better. And the other option is if you create a channel that's not named, like this one is named, Brandmeister US Nationwide. If it wasn't, I can sit here and go list and select these, and these would hold for infinite automatically. So that automatically switches the talk group at that point. So that's how you can understand that one.